Okay, good morning YouTube. This is my unboxing. Don't ask me of what yet, but I'll put it in the description once I open it. Let's see what it is. It's from China. My preference is not to buy from China, but since it was affordable, of course, these days you have to take that into consideration. So I decided to go ahead and get this, and once I purchased it, I found numerous other American vendors who are selling just as good a product with less days shipping. That's my problem with mostly with China, is that it takes so long to get stuff from there. But then sometimes the cost. Here we go. Here it is. My son ordered this, but this is his new keyboard, and we'll put it together and give it a try. It's a little, as you can see, it's a little banged up from China, Russian over here, I guess. Not Russian, because it sure didn't come fast, but I'm trying to buy more products from the U.S. Here we go. This is what we got. No software, no nothing. It's just fine. As long as it works, I don't care. Packing slip or something, or I don't know, maybe instructions in Chinese. How about that? Here's the Genius. And I'm sure you could probably go on that line and find these somewhere, but it's a nice design. It is USB controlled, power controlled. Once I get it set up and give you a chance to look at it while it's working, once I get it hooked up and running. Okay? Thank you very much for watching.